we're going to do now is simple. You can come closer, you can see. Come closer, bro.
Okay.
Okay, you can see his shoulder is very well built on the front shoulder. Okay, and what happened is he's been working a lot on pushing movement, am I right?
Yeah.
So what happened is he have a very stiff shoulder. Okay, this is also a symptom of causing a frozen shoulder, which is it will cause him difficulty on taking off his shirt directly. Maybe he have to go from the other side. But yeah. So as you can see, the anterior delta here is super perfect. Okay, and you're looking at the back here. This is we call posterior delta. So for me, in this case, try to avoid pushing movement, a lot of pushing, shoulder press, chest press, and so on. And second, as you can see, his lats, wow, is very well built. So also avoid on the pull up or chin up movement. Why? Because his lats is very well built. If you continue doing that, what happens is this muscle, as it grow bigger, it will push lengthen. When as it push lengthen, what happens? The whole shoulder position, your rotator cuff will going forward. And as you continue building here in your chest, the whole thing will going forward. And you try to lift your hands up. You see? You just imagine my hand blocking it there. You try to lift up. The longer you go, it get worse. You know, as you can see on the shoulder, SIPS, okay, which is the joint tendon on the front, central, back, and the inner arm. There's a 4 main rotator cuff joint. So what I would strongly recommend for this gentleman with a very good six-pack, that's not the key point. Okay, we will do on the very simple movement. It can fix his pain. In fact, after like 1 or 2 weeks, as you can see, this guy has built up the posterior deltoid, and he's gonna tag you guys in Instagram soon. Okay, as you can see, the shoulder will go bigger and nicer, and go slightly more balanced on him. Okay, so first movement I would say here, you'll be using a yoga block, right, brother? Okay. Okay, so you're gonna stand facing me. Okay, put the yoga block here. As I want you to perform the movement external rotate. Open up. Okay, when you open up, try not to rotate your head. Okay, keep it straight. Stick on the yoga block. And what you're gonna do, just stay. Okay, squeeze your back. Very good. Squeeze your back. Soften your knee. Okay, use. Okay, standing. Okay, you don't have to crunch. Keep it straight. Very good. Open up maximum. See your neck as it's hard out. Double chin. Very good. Double chin. Just relax here. I'm going to give you the table. Okay, your feet skip out a little bit. Skip out a little more. Okay, open up. Nice. Okay, as you can feel here, just hold. I'm going to push you a little bit more. You're going to feel a lot here. As you can see his face, okay? The first 2 things you need to feel fully here, not here. Okay? Go, continue. Hips hinge up, hip up. Okay, very good. Okay, open up more. Just stay. As you can see here, brother, just concentrate on his posterior deltoid. Give his neural system more reaction. How do you feel? You feel very cool, huh? With the camera on, you don't feel very supple?
I feel so fine.
You're not supple. It's not supple. Okay, going back slowly. Okay, maintain the whole body standing. Okay, and you're going to rotate out a little bit. Maintain the whole body straight. Yeah? Maintain the shoulder line. Okay, try not to rotate the shoulder line. From here, you see the focus. In order to create more focus, elbow go forward. Elbow push forward. Perfect. Tuck in your stomach. Okay, you don't rotate your shoulder line. How do you feel?
Damn. Yeah.
I
feel the pain.
Doesn't love to see you. Going back slowly. Look at the back slowly. Okay, go one more. Stay. Okay. Feel a lot here. Am I right?
I feel it.
Okay, very good. Go. How do you feel?
Damn. The pain is much.
Okay, we do one more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Yeah, release. Start breathing. Go for it. Stay. Go. Okay, go. How do you feel? Very good.
The pain is much.
Very good. Pinch your leg more. Okay, good.
Yes.
How do you feel?
Say thank you to your coach.
expecting.
Say thank you to the coach.
Seriously, I need this. I need this to look like perfect. It's really cool, like because I do a lot of push-ups and then more of shoulders. Like I don't have this in the gym, so like
You can use dumbbell.
I need it. Yeah.
Dumbbell. Or you can use a water bottle.
Okay.
500 ml.
Like this one?
I can use the dumbbell, right?
Yeah. Just close it. Sit down. Use a dumbbell. This one. Dumbbell. If you know dumbbell, use a water bottle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this can. Yeah. If you not, then you go to fitness concept. Any sell dumbbell area. This will. Just kidding.
I've done it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I really like. Yeah, I feel it. I need to do this side because this side is big.
Rex. Hey, Rev. Rev. So you say something for Rev for this beautiful thing.
No, actually, it's perfect place to visit. You know, like I didn't have idea. Like my friend just recommend come and I have a training session. So that I said okay because I love to train. I didn't know it was something like this. I've really enjoyed their training session and everything. And then everything they said about me is, it's true. Like what I lack, what I have to do, everything is perfect. And then I think if I should continue to come here for a few weeks, like I'm gonna look like how I'm gonna have my body look.
You shouldn't come.
Yeah.
You will get jealous. The man who holding camera will get jealous.
And I'm really recommending to everyone, like,
No.
it's really a place to visit.
Very dangerous. Okay.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
This is your last day in Rev. What do you want to say?
Yeah,
I'm
what?
not that good. I'm coming back.
No, he will come again. Don't worry, I'm gonna train and I'm gonna be better than him. I give you 2 weeks. Can we see who? Okay, 2 weeks.
Can you see who say you wanna be better than me?
2 weeks as a milestone. I'm gonna
Just
train with
compare now.
Rev
See
and I'm
the
gonna be better than him.
difference,
Do not worry
You
about
wanna show
that.
them?
No. I have to make you advice.
Yeah, so yeah.
Peace. Okay.
2 weeks with the best coach. I know I'm gonna be like.
Okay. Cool, man. We're gonna tag you Instagram. Tag you.
2 weeks if you are like me, just imagine how I'm gonna be.
Okay. Cool, man. Cool, man.
Yeah, so like
Peace.
It's been a wonderful session for today, and we really recommend everyone to come here. I think you're gonna have a good time, and you're gonna reach your milestones. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, peace. Thank you, bro.
Thank you, man.
Hey guys，谢谢大家把视频看到最后。首先呢，要做的东西就是在以下或者是左边、右边的这个 button 按一下，大力给它打一下，哎呦，然后记得把它的小铃铛turn on，OK？没有的话，我们下一次就没有机会再见了。来，我们下个视频再见，拜拜。